Hi guys! In this video I will tell you how to remove unwanted objects from video in CapCut. So let's begin. Firstly, create a new project in CapCut PC. Then add your video. Drag it to the timeline. This is the video, which I want to remove the plant from the background. Locate the playhead to the first frame. Then export this frame as an image. After that, go to HitPaw's official website and have HitPaw FotorPea on your device. Also, the free download link is put in the description. Use the object removal feature. Import the screenshot image we saved earlier. Select the plant in the background like this. You may also switch to other selection tool to brush over the plant. Next, click on Preview. Now the object is easily removed. Then click on the Export button and save the image. After that, go back to Premiere Pro again. Add the image to the overlay track. Extend the duration according to the length of the video. Next, click on the Mask button. Select a suitable mask. Use the mask to cover the plant. Change the feather to 5. And round corners to 86. Now when you play the video, you can see the image doesn't match the video so well due to the camera movement. So we need to add some keyframes to the position. Add several keyframes to make sure the image is locked with the video. And that's it. The object is successfully removed. The last step is save it on your device. Okay guys, that's how to remove unwanted objects from video in CapCut. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe for more contents like this. Thanks for watching.